I thought this was going to be a 5-minute test. Open Ideogram, generate a few images, compare them with Midjourney, pick a winner. Instead, I spent almost an hour going back and forth because every time I thought Midjourney had won, Ideogram did something that made me stop and look twice. The biggest surprise wasn't the image quality, it was the text. If you've ever tried putting words inside an AI-generated image, you already know how frustrating that can be. Random letters, misspelled words, complete nonsense. Then I tried the same thing in Ideogram, and it handled text way better than I expected. For posters, YouTube thumbnails, ads, social media graphics, and product mockups, that alone makes a huge difference. But here's where things got interesting. The moment I switched to cinematic artwork and highly detailed creative scenes, Midjourney reminded me why so many artists still love it. The lighting, atmosphere, and overall style often felt more polished straight out of the box. Some images honestly look like they belonged in a movie concept book. So, does that mean Midjourney wins? Not necessarily, because the better image isn't always the one that helps you finish your project faster. If I'm designing a thumbnail, a landing page, or an ad where readable text actually matters, I'd probably open Ideogram first. If I'm creating fantasy artwork, character concepts, or something purely artistic, I'd still reach for Midjourney. That's the part most comparison videos miss. You're not choosing the prettier AI, you're choosing the one that gets your job done with fewer edits. And that's a completely different question. Would I pay for Ideogram? If my business depended on marketing visuals, social media graphics, or branded content every week, yes, I could justify it. The time saved fixing text alone is worth something. But if my only goal was creating beautiful digital art, I'd probably keep Midjourney in my toolbox instead. So after testing both, I don't think Ideogram beats Midjourney across the board. I think it beats Midjourney at specific jobs. And for a lot of business owners, marketers, and content creators, those jobs happen every single day. Now I want to hear from you. If you could only keep one subscription, which would you choose? Ideogram or Midjourney? And what's the first thing you'd create with it? I'm genuinely curious where everyone stands on this one.